Morning traders, and this is your Dax day trade setup for today. So the daily gave us quite a strong daily bar. I am concerned about the oscillators. There's nothing on the oscillators at the moment, and we're kind of at the top of this holding pattern. We've sort of reached the top of the holding pattern at the moment. Now, bear in mind, when we go to the lower time frames, there's the head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders here. There's a whole lot of patterns indicating a turn or a potential turn. So at this stage, we are top of range for me, okay? And just ignore the noise for now. I just left them in from yesterday, and we'll get to them now. If we look, we want the 4 hours. So we look at the 3 hour. You can see oscillators are saying we're at a level. Start looking for an opportunity to be short, okay? And there's quite a few opportunities here, but this is our inverse head and shoulders, okay? You see there's the shoulder, there's the head, and there is the other shoulder. Now we're at the neckline. We need pretty much a proper breakthrough of 11,860 for this pattern to be validated. Okay, so just looking at the hour. So yesterday we spoke about this consolidation here and what a break meant. So we got a break to the downside first, and then it reversed, broke to the upside, and moves away. So, even if you took this trade to the downside, your stop would have been triggered, but then it would have been an opportunity just to hop in and get in along, and you would have recovered that loss. But anyway, so we got the breakout of this pattern. We had a fake out first, and then a proper breakout. And just do this on a 12-minute. So you can see there was the level that we spoke about. We broke the downside, and then you got sort of another range before we stepped up to the upside. Okay, so I'm expecting another attempt to break through. Let's just delete the noise. So I am expecting another attempt to break through this level here. Okay, 11,860. The question is whether we're going to get through. So it's quite a strong level. If you look at the weekly as well, look to the left, it's quite a bit of interaction. It's sort of the neckline of this big weekly and monthly head and shoulders as well. So pretty much an area where you should expect some action. The question is, what is that action going to be? And from a weekly perspective, the trend has changed the downside. So this could be a retest of the trend change. The other thing to bear in mind is we did get a close below this level here, which is a double top. Okay. So yeah, so pretty much a bit of confusion. If we do get a weekly close above this level, so in other words, we rally again today and we close above this area of 11,870 roughly, then I'll change my tune to one of we should be expecting some move to the upside. But for me at the moment, this is still top of range consolidation, and I'm going to treat it with a bit of caution because it's not the first time we've been to the top of the range. There's quite a few times that we've been there, and we're creating higher lows. So there is a potential for us to break through, but obviously what I want to see is a breakthrough because of the strength of this level. Breakthrough, then a pullback, hold the level, which will present a buying opportunity. And then it's pretty much a long-term trade, well, as long as it takes to get the target, which is 600 points to the upside. Okay, which is this inverse head and shoulders. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. Watching this with bated breath, not really interested in being long here, and also not interested in being short at the moment. So waiting to see what happens. If we do get a breakthrough, I'm looking for the first pullback to test the breakout, and then I am long pretty much for this head and shoulders pattern. Okay, probably won't take that trade today because I see there is a gap. Remember, there's still a gap here as well. So I suspect we're going to hover maybe even gently down and maybe close above it, but I don't want to hold that position over the weekend. So we'll wait and see what happens. Okay, anyway guys, that's my view at the moment. Just be very careful. This is a very strong level, but not one that I'm prepared to take a short at. Okay, so anyway, hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.